MECCA Power Open Type 500 kilovolt amp Deutz diesel generator. Deutz engines are worldwide well known because of their quality and reliability. The genset range contains air, water, and oil-cooled engines from 20 kVA up to 750 kVA power. With advanced reasonable structure, high efficiency, low vibration, smooth running, high reliability, easy handling, MECCA power generators are widely used in national defense, construction site, commercial buildings, mining sites, oil fields, rental, banks, hospitals, etc. MECCA Power. Power up your business.